Okay, so let us continue yung practice problems sa chimney. So ito yung number 4. A chimney with a height of 45 meters is used to discharge hot flue gases from a thermal system. The temperature of the flue gases is 310 degrees Celsius while the ambient air temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. Atmospheric pressure is 101,325 Pascal and both gases are assumed to behave ideally. Determine the draught produced by the chimney expressed in millimeters of water. So, yung sagot daw is 24.64 mm. Okay, so ito yung mga given. Height, 45 meters. Yung temperature ng gas, 310. Yung temperature ng air, 30. Yung atmospheric pressure, 101.325. So, hanapin natin yung height of the water column or yung draught, no? Okay, the draught produced by the chimney expressed in mm of water. Okay, so formula for height is equal to H, head ng water to, divide na natin ito ng 1,000, no? Okay, kasi mm yung unit nito, mm daw dapat yan. Okay, para maging meters yung sagot natin sa head, sa height ng chimney, divide natin ng 1,000. And then the density ito ng water divided by density ng air less density ng gas. Okay? So 45 meters is equal to head ng water hinahanap divided by 1,000. So naka-meters na to Okay? Multiply it by the ratio of the density ng water which is 1,000, no? And then the density of air tsaka density ng flue gas. So, diretso na lang natin, no? This is 101.325 divided by 0.287 times for air is 30 plus 273 para maging absolute less for the gas. Okay, so 101.325 divided by, so same yung R ng dalawang A, yung air tsaka ng gas. Wala namang binigay na gas constant for the gas, i-assume na lang natin na parehas. Okay, so kung walang binigay. And then 310 plus 273. Okay, so yan. So if we compute that, ang makukuha nating draught produced with the chimney is, naka-mm yan kasi dinivide natin ng 1,000. Yan. So this is approximately 25.18 mm. 25.18 mm. Ayan. Okay, so mayroong konting pagkakaiba yung ano natin, sagot natin dito, no? 24.64 sa kanya. So palitan na lang natin. This should be 25.18 mm. Yan. Okay? So that is for number 4. Okay, so ito yung problem number 5. A chimney with a height of 50 meters is used to discharge hot flue gases at a temperature of 290 degrees Celsius while the ambient air is 30 degrees Celsius. The system experiences frictional losses equivalent to 3.5 mm water column. Okay, assuming the flue gases and ambient air behave as ideal gas, determine the theoretical draught, okay, or yung total draught, no, in millimeters of water that the chimney must generate to overcome both the flow resistance and the frictional loss. So answer daw is 30.4 mm. Okay, so these are yung mga given natin. Okay, so kung babalikan natin yung formula natin for the theoretical draught, that is equal to the actual draught plus the loss. Okay? So, given yung loss natin, okay, ayan. Yung actual, wala. Which is, makukuha naman natin yung actual. Okay? So, yung actual natin, makukuha yan doon sa kunin natin yung head, no? Ayan. Okay? So 3.5 and then ito theoretical, ayan, sige, So let us see kung ano yung mangyayari dito, no? So 50 meters, then density. Height is equal to head over 1,000 times density ng water over density ng air less density ng gas. Okay? So, i-equate lang natin to. 50 is equal to draught divided by 1,000 para maging meters times 1,000 to 1,000 divided by pressure, walang binigay na pressure, no? So assume natin 101.325 and then the temperature for the air is 30 less 101.325 divided by 0.287 times 290 plus 273. Okay? Ayan. Sige. So, yung height na mako-compute natin is nakalimutan nating lagyan ng 273 si 30 para maging absolute, no? Ayan. Okay? So, this is 26.90 mm, no? So, yan yung draught without considering losses, no? Now, since merong binigay na loss, yung theoretical loss natin or theoretical draught dapat is idagdag natin yung loss, no? So, 26.90 plus 3.5. So, yung theoretical loss is equal to, ano yan? That is equal to 30.4 mm. Okay, so yun. So tama naman yung solution natin. Parehas tayo ng sagot for number 5. Okay, so problem 6. A thermal plant uses chimney with a height of 35 meters. Okay, to discharge a flue gas at a temperature of 300 degrees Celsius into the atmosphere. However, to enhance the flow without increasing the chimney height, a forced draught fan is to be installed. Okay? The ambient air temperature is 30 degrees Celsius and the volumetric flow rate of the flue gases is 9 meter cube per second. Assuming that the chimney alone produces a natural draught of 9.5 mm of water. Okay? So yung 19.5 mm of water column na to, ito yung napoproduce ng chimney kapag wala siyang fan. Okay? And then 30% of that pressure draught is insufficient. Okay? Due to resistance. So calculate the minimum power required by the fan to compensate for this pressure shortfall and maintain the same flow rate. So dahil doon sa losses na yan, okay, 30% na yan, kailangan mong mag-install ng fan. Nang sa ganon, yung flow rate ay same pa rin. Okay? So, yung density ng gas, binigay naman, that is 0.65 kg per meter cube. And then, yung efficiency ng fan is 70%. So, the answer is 0.74 kilowatts. Okay, so ito yung mga given. Yung height ng chimney, 35. Yung temperature ng gas, 300. But anyway, binigay naman na yung density ng gas. So, we don't need to use the temperature there of the gas. Temperature ng air, 30 degrees Celsius. Yung flow rate, 9 meter cube per second. Yung draught, that is 19.5 mm. Okay? And then, yung loss natin is 30% daw yung loss ng 19.5, no? So, mamaya multiply natin yan. Then, density ng gas, and then, efficiency ng fan is 70%. Ang hinahanap ay yung power daw ng fan. Okay? Sige. So, kung maalala ninyo sa ating fluid machinery, we have power is equal to specific weight, Q times the head, no? Okay? So, divide lang natin ito ng efficiency, okay? Or multiply ng 1 over efficiency ng fan. Okay, yan yung power ng fan. Okay? Now, Yung specific weight natin dito, pwedeng gamitin yung specific weight ng water which is 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter. As long as yung gagamitin mo head dito ay head in terms of water din, no? In terms of water. Okay? Ayan. So, ganun yan, no? Kung gusto mo naman ng na head in terms of air or gas, kailangan yung specific weight na kagas. It doesn't matter kung yung Q mo dito ay Q ng flue gas, no? As long as yung specific weight mo dito, kung water yung ginamit mo dito, dapat yung head mo naka-water din. Ganun yan. So, Q ito ng gas or whatsoever, no? Basta ito lang yung dapat consistent. Okay, so power ng fan is equal to 9.81. Then, ang Q natin is 9. Okay? And then, yung head natin is 30% daw, no? Ang kay fan. So, 30% ay dapat makompensate. So, para makompensate yon, kailangan mo mag-install ng fan. So, 0.3. Okay, times, yung natin? 19.5, no? 19.5 divided by 1,000. Okay? Dinivide ko siya ng 1,000 para maging meters to. So, kung titignan natin yung unit, multiply pa pala natin yung 1 over 0.7 dito. Okay, kilonewton per cubic meter. And then, meter cube per seconds to, yung Q natin. And then, ito, naka-meter to, no? So, cancel to, cancel yan. So, kilonewton meter per second is kilowatts, no? Okay, so, delete ko na to. Yung part na to, next page lang natin. Okay. So, yung power ng fan is approximately equal to 0.74 kilowatts. So, diba? Sandali lang. Okay. So, that's all for our lecture for the chimney. Thank you for listening and watching.